make an aesthetic vision board in Canva. So if you want to make an aesthetic vision board in your Canva, then let's get started. First, you need to open up your Canva, and then on the next tab, you need to open Pinterest. Go with www.pinterest.com. Make sure that you've logged into your account. Once you've logged in, you're going to start scrolling down until you start seeing images and pictures that align with your goals and aspirations for the year, or for the semester, or for whichever the time is where you want to create your vision board. What you can do is to divide your vision board into categories. So you're going to pick maybe health, well-being, maybe things that you want to do for your career, for your love life. So just start scrolling and then start saving the pictures that you like on your computer. Like I'll go with this one. You need to right click on it, save this image. For example, I'll just simply go with downloads and save it to my downloads. In the same way, you need to go with more pictures that you like. Right click on it and then go with save image and go with save. Once you have all of your pictures and images ready, you're going to open up your Canva and you're going to click on create a new design, which will be on the top left. Then you're going to go with a custom size, or you can go with a size which is already right here. So I'll just simply go with 16:9 ratio board. Once you're on your board, now what you need to do is you are free to do, which is upload the images and organize the size to how you want them to look. But a much easy way to create a vision board is to go to the designs, which will be on the left side. Then you're going to search on the templates, which is you need to search for aesthetic vision board and hit the enter. And it will generate all of the vision boards right here. You can go and select any vision board. You're going to find already made templates that we can use for free that are for vision boards. So as you can see that Canva is going to show you a lot of different templates to choose from. And all that we have to do is with them to customize them and make them our own. So as you can see that there are different types of templates that you're going to find. For example, like this one right here, you need to go with apply all 10 pages. And it has been applied on the right side. You need to just go with edit and start editing. Now here, go ahead and click on the uploads, which will be on the left side, and upload the images. So go with upload files, which will be here, and then go and select the file, go with open, and now you need to upload this one to this image. And do the same with all of the images that you've just saved. Just drag and drop the images, adjust it however you like, and edit all of the images on the vision board, or edit the text if you want to. And this way you'll be able to make an aesthetic vision board in Canva. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.